And we're live from the woods. I'm sitting here with Leonardo Turtle, wondering where have all the turkeys gone? Mr. Turtle, could you tell me where the turkeys are? He seems to be a bit shy. Been in the woods now about 4 hours. Not heard anything, not seen anything. And I'm just kind of hanging with Leo here. I just don't get it. How, when it's not turkey season, you see turkeys everywhere. Come turkey season, can't find one.